Alright, it's Friday, June 6th. It's 8:40 in the morning. I was out yesterday, so I'm just coming back out today because, truth be told, as I put in the video, I was struggling my butt off pedaling up the river, and I couldn't believe how much trouble I was having, and it was a struggle for sure. And I'm going to tell on myself. The reason it is because I never put the wheels down.
No!
I never took the wheels up when I launched yesterday. So I paddled around all day. Well, I shouldn't say all day. The 3 hours that I was out here, I paddled with the wheels down. So, like one of my buddies said, it's like might as well pedal around dragging an anchor. So we're going to do the same. We're going to do the same pedal today to see how easy. Hopefully it's a lot easier, and that'll be the reason. And then I think we're going to shoot over to like Strawberry Island and fish over there. So I had to tell on myself because it looked like I looked like a moron out there, and I couldn't believe how struggle it was to get up against the current. So hopefully we have some more action today, and hopefully it's a whole lot more of an easy paddle. Or pedal, let's call it that. Already I can feel how much easier it is. Yeah, that was bad. This is way easy. What a difference a day makes. I'm cruising right along. Huge draw, those wheels. God, am I a dummy. This will make fishing a whole lot more enjoyable. Alright, got to the second green buoy. I think I started here yesterday. Way easier than it was yesterday, for sure. So we're going to start to drift between the buoys, and then probably going to head over to Strawberry Island. Alright, we're going to head over to Strawberry Island now. Didn't have any luck coming up the shoreline out by the buoys. So hopefully we get into around the island. I've always had pretty decent luck there. And, let's see what happens. Come on. What the hell? Got one. Oh, nice one too. Shit. Jesus Christ. Come on. Oh, there we go. All right. Another nice one. Let's so we don't crash here. We do pretty good in that spot. All right. Okay, let's see. Go. Nice one. Another 17 inches. I want to just weigh this just so I, you know what? 3 pounds. 3-pounder. Let's get him released here. There you go, buddy. All right. All right. God, I love that spot. All right. That was the first fish of the day. What time is it? It's 10:32. We're going to do that drift again. I love that drift. It's got a little quick drop off there. I don't know. Is this camera still going? Yeah, all right. You can sort of see the shallow there and then how the water breaks. So we're going to go back up and run that again. It's a whole lot easier in my new kayak than it was in the paddling one. You got a little more control, but I've always done good right in that, right where it drops off from the shallow to a little deep hole right there. So we're going to go back and run that one again and see if we can get another one. That was nice. Well, just had a largemouth on. Around with the cameras too much and spit it off. All right. There we go. There we go. There we go. Second, right after that, next cast. Whoa. Nice bass. Oh yeah. Switch hands here. Nice bass. Oh yeah. All right. Maybe I found the lure. All right. Nice one. There we go. Okay. There we go. Nice one. All right. Where are you going, buddy? Where are you going? Both hooks. All right, all right, all right. Ooh, yike. Smallie. It's pretty small, smallie. Oh. Right at the last second. Come on, buddy. Come on. Oh, there we go. Woohoo! Nice small. Wow. Freaking bass are gigantic. He hit right before they got to the kayak. That's a nice one. That's a real nice one. That might. No. Oh shit. Well, we'll never know how big he was. Oh damn. Okay. Well, he's boated anyway, so he counts. He might have been the biggest one today. Mishandled him. Whoops. Whoa. Oh, look at the spots on that thing. Catch this bad boy. Caught another one. Largemouth. Got a bunch of spots all over him. This side's got a bunch of spots. Easy, buddy. Easy. I'll get you out. I'll get you out. All right. Largemouth bass. Wow. Good job. There we go. There we go. Oh, mother effer! Lost another one. Son of a fuck. Man. Come on here. Sharpen these hooks or what? Largemouth. Come on, baby, come on. There we go. Easy. Slowed down, but then I got another largemouth. Okay. Ooh, another nice one. Ooh, smallmouth. Silver spinner. I just changed lures. Come on, baby. Oh, come on. There we go. Woo. Nice. All right. Okay. Easy, buddy. Can't let you go. You're flailing around like that. You're gonna stick me with the hook. I just changed to a silver Vibrex Blue Fox. Got 2 bass in about 5 minutes. And another smallmouth. Another one. Holy cow. These are no replays. These I just keep hitting this silver spinner. Another smallmouth. Whoa. Cookie cutter type. Seems to be the correct lure now. Another one on and off. Alright, it's 2 o'clock. Been out for like 5.5 hours. Been having a ball here in the Strawberry Island Bay. Really doing well. I'm going to catch one more fish, and then I think I'm going to call it a day. These rudd are in here like gangbusters. Just pools, or schools of them. Pools, I'll be alright. Just schools of these rudd. They're just swimming around the boat. But it seems like where the rudd are, the bass are. So I just sort of follow them around, and then the bass hit. So I'm probably up to, I don't even know, I kind of lost count. 7 or 8, maybe 9 smallmouth, 2 or 3 largemouth. Had a couple of break-offs. Got a feeling those were carp. Carp are in here thick too. So I think I just want to catch one more fish, call it a day. Alright, I didn't get my last fish, which is okay. I'm up, I don't even know, probably 10 to 12 fish for the day. It turned out to be really nice in this bay and really fun day of fishing. We'll definitely be back out here at some point. Had a great day of fishing, so